The RhovixStar Cordless Angle Grinder is equipped with a brushless motor, ensuring a longer lifespan and more efficient energy consumption compared to traditional motors. With 4 variable speed settings reaching up to 9,000 revolutions per minute, this angle grinder excels in a range of tasks including cutting, grinding, and polishing. The inclusion of two 20-volt 4 ampere-hour batteries provides extended runtime, freeing you from the constraints of power cords during both indoor and outdoor projects. The comprehensive kit offered by RhovixStar includes everything you need for a variety of tasks from cutting and sanding to grinding. The ergonomic design with an adjustable handle caters to both left-handed and right-handed users, minimizing wrist fatigue and enhancing control during prolonged use. The RhovixStar Cordless Angle Grinder is a versatile and powerful tool that supports a wide range of applications, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit.